In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create personalized AI assistants with Gemini. By the end, you'll have a custom assistant tailored to give you business ideas and strategies ready to answer your prompts in a focused, helpful way. First, open your Gemini account in your browser and sign in. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Gems. This is where Gemini lets you create and manage personalized assistants that follow your instructions. Click Gems to open that workspace, then choose New Gem to start building a fresh assistant. Begin by entering a clear, memorable name. Pick something that instantly tells you what this assistant does, like Business Strategy Assistant. Next, add a short description. For this example, we'll use a description along the lines of an assistant that provides business ideas and strategies. Think of this as a quick elevator pitch that helps you recognize the assistant later. Now, in the instructions field, write exactly how you want your assistant to behave. A simple and effective starting point is, you are a business assistant. Your job is to recommend ideas and strategies regarding in-demand business. You can expand this to make it even more useful. Specify the tone you want, such as practical and concise, and the type of output you prefer, like step-by-step guidance or a short list of prioritized D8 suggestions. If you serve a particular market or budget range, mention that here. The clearer your instructions, the more consistent your assistant will be. When you're happy with the name, description, and instructions, click Save. That's it. Your personalized gem is set up and ready to help. To start using it, enter your first prompt in the chat box. For example, you might write, "My electronics business struggled and ultimately failed. What do you recommend I do next?" Press Enter and let Gemini generate a response. Give it a moment to think through your situation and suggest actionable steps. If the first answer isn't specific enough, ask follow-up questions, provide a little more context about your market, or request a different angle, like focusing on low-cost ideas, online channels, or quick-win strategies. The assistant will adapt to the details you share, staying aligned with the instructions you set. That's all there is to it. You've created a personalized business assistant in Gemini, taught it how to respond, and sent your first prompt. Keep your instructions clear, refine as you go, and use precise prompts to get the most practical recommendations. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building assistants that work the way you do.